So, nabili ko to second hand. Wala siyang PC. Pero okay lang yun. Ano ba yung nalaglag? Gusto ko lang kulay yung pitch. Okay, for the first, and for the last. Oh, hindi to last. So, we have, ito yung CD. Ito yung inclusion. Papakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Ito yung stickers. Hindi siya binawasan. Pero, feeling ko hindi ko rin ito gagamitin. Pero, ang gusto ko, magkaroon ako ng binder na puro sticker yung laman. This is the, ano to, postcard. Food like butterfly, criminal undercover, pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. It's a time of being young, when your heart just is so damn, being allowed to say, I wanna dance to music, I wanna love. Wala na, fake army ka na yan. Ooh. Yan, ibibidyo ko na yung photo book nila. Ang cute to, ang liit. Yan. So, ayun yung photo book. Yan. Nakita ka na kasi first page. Ooh. Pogi ni Jin, ano? Parang ito yung ano, yung teenager na Jimin. Ooh, the pink hair, the milk, the gun. Ooh. Kumakan sa G-Dragon dyan. Ooh, look at the boots. The boots. Gusto ko ng ganyang outfit. Ooh, with the pink gun. Adushi? Adushi? Ooh. The face card? The face card? The face card? Ay, ito po guys yung husband ko talaga. Okay, okay. Ito JK. Yung boots nila. May bias wrecker. Yo. Sila ng ano pa lang yan, no? Uy, billiards boy. Ooh. Pag nakita ko si binalala ko si ano, si Joy. Yung kadorm ko. RM with the machine. What's machine? With the milk, It's giving indigo. Uy. Yan, nandito yung mga birthday nila. Si J-Hope is February 18, December 4, September 12, September 1, October 13, March 9, and December 30. Kailangan ko madalili kasi baka mawalan ako ng space. Ang ganda ng pagkamat niya, no? Jimin! I know it's you. Uy. RM. Jin. Ay, si Jin pala to. Ba't kamukha niya si RM pag nakatalikod? Tingnan nyo, guys. Diba mukhang RM? Nahirapan ako hawakan, no? Ooh. Daddy. Very Korean, ano? Si Yoongi, guys. May sakampan si J-Hope. Okay. Magka-ukay-ukay vlog ako, guys. Panoorin. Si Darren. Feeling ko message to, tapos di ko mabasa. Ayun yung hasayo, Jin, Emida. Diba I told you eh. Kaya ko lang magbasa. Ami, him dun. Isagiyo! Jessica! Hindi natin pwede nagpasa si Wee. The end. Ito yung first page and last page. Yun lang. Ang next week, ang i-unbox ko ay yung sealed na golden ni JK. So, yun lang guys. Let's put it back. CD. sticker. Ito mo na. Yun lang guys. Bye.